Tanggalin ko na nga lang to. Hi guys! I'm about to edit this video. Ngayong video na napapanood niyo. So wala na. Tapos na yung Japan trip namin. Gusto ko lang mag-disclaimer. I usually don't give disclaimers kasi inisip ko matatanda na tayong lahat kapag nasa title and ayaw mo naman yung nasa title. Wag na lang panoorin. But marami na kasi akong mga vlog na ito yung title na Nalasing. But this one guys, like totoong lasing talaga. Like, kinabukasan, like hangover, and first time ko na-experience. So, lasing talaga kami nito. Kung ayaw nyo mapanood yung mga ganun klaseng videos, please, don't watch. Exit out na lang. At least, na-warningan ko na kayo. Na kaming dawa ni Dan, lasing talaga kami. Pero, okay lang. Hindi ko naman sinasabi na okay lang maglasing ka dyan. But, also, keep in mind na I am 28 years old. So, okay lang naman na uminom, diba? Plus, hindi ako umiinom lagi. Kaya, sobrang bilis ko nalasing nitong araw na to. Kasi hindi ako umiinom. Konting shots lang, wala na. But this time, like, itong video na to, guys, ay ewan ko na lang talaga. Plus, kasama ko din yung asawa ko. So, kasama namin yung kaibigan namin. So, itong video na to kasama namin yung kaibigan ni Dan. Na-mention ko na sa previous vlog, which was yesterday's vlog, na imi-meet namin sila. So, this is the night na kakain kami ng dinner. And hindi kasi nila sinama yung mga anak nila. That's why napunta kami sa ganong sitwasyon na lasing kami. Hindi naman sila, as in sobrang lasing dalawa kasi may mga anak din sila. Medyo tipsy lang. Tipsy lang sila kasi the next day, gumising pa ng maaga yung dalawa eh. But yeah, kaming dalawa ni Dan. Sobrang nalasing kami just to like let you guys know na yun yung mapapanood nyo. So sa mga ayaw ng mga ganyan, exit out na lang. Ano pa ba yung gusto kong sabihin before the vlog? Yeah, so hindi ko sinasabi na okay lang uminom as long as para sa akin kasi hindi naman natin mapipigilan yung mga tao. May mga iinom naman talaga. Hindi ko sinasabi na gayahin nyo ako. Sinasabi ko lang is okay lang naman siguro para sa akin kasi matanda na ako. Tapos yung kasama ko naman ay mga mapagkakatiwalaang tao. So as long as you're like, you know, with your like mga tao na kilala nyo, friends nyo, okay lang naman siguro yan, diba? But then again, kung ayaw nyo yung mga ganitong video, sinabihan ko na kayo ha. So, huwag nyo sabihin sa akin na ayoko na mga ganyang video, mga lasing-lasing. Sinabi ko na nga na manood kung ayaw manood ng mga ganito. So, yeah. Yun lang. Please enjoy watching if you decide to continue watching. Pero, yeah. We're getting ready again, guys. Alis kami para sa dinner. 15 minutes na lang. Tingnan niyo yung iron nila. Ang cute. Nanghiram sila ng iron. Ito yung iron nila. Cute, diba? Para lang siyang steamer. Pero hindi, iron siya.
It's hot, don't leave it like that.
What time is it?
5 to 7.
5 to 8. 5 to 8. Abot pa tayo. Malapit na kasi yung restaurant. Doon lang, oh. Mga 1 minute walk lang from here. Ito yun, guys. Oh, hindi pala yun. Ito pala. joke lang yun. Ano ba yan? Dito pala. Ito. Yan. Sorry? Okay. Nakakuha siya ng coffee sa ano ay? Sa hotel kanina. Okay, pasok mo. Isn't that the bin? Ay. Walang basurahan. Maybe you can just give it to them inside. I'm pretty sure they will have a bin inside. Dinala niya na lang yung coffee cup niya kasi walang basurahan sa labas. Bigyan na lang natin sa kanila. Patapon natin. Just leave it there?
Yes, no.
No.
There? Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Arigato. Hello. Konnichiwa. Wait, slippery. Tapos iiwan yung chinelas dito. Tapos ito na yung table natin. Here you go. Fancy. Nauna kami. Very nice and private. Look at this. Are you gonna be okay? Ayaw nito umupo ng ganito eh. Cute. Para sa bata. Here. Let's go, babe. We can sit there, my love, because the kids will be here.
Bye-bye!
And over here, yes.
This is for YouTube, Joe.
Make me famous. We're in October. That place will mess you up. You go there, it's like one day went to this like floating village, and then she's I was fell asleep on the way back. She said, "Oh, this like best on roids Sydney, like crazy, like 20% or something." I was like, nah. And I got on the line. I was like, oh man, I missed out. I could save like $100. I got the line. I was like, you know what I'm doing?
There you go. You're recording.
I know.
Tell us what you think of the dessert, Joe.
Bit of mint. Always just thought things a little bit because it's mint.
It's any good?
It's a jelly. Look, it's
It's just jelly.
from what we found is the Japanese not quite what the French are to dessert. Refreshing, but subtle. Not particularly sweet. But nice end to the meal. Nice way to cap off the A5 Wagyu. Quite nice.
What is the Wagyu called? Kobe?
A5 Kobe steak Wagyu. A5, the highest marble grade you can find in the Wagyu. Fantastic. It was great Wagyu. And yeah. And yeah, beautiful smile. It was really good.
Waiting for a taxi for Joe.
Are you left or right? Where are you?
That is drunk.
Oh, this is.
Just turn.
We can walk up.
Wait, babe.
We'll walk up.
Come here. Danny, come here. Danny, babe, come on.
Hey, get off on the road.
Get off the road.
No, but are you
okay.
guys going that way?
That's alright, the taxi driver will figure it out. Come here, babe.
Don't walk home.
You're not walking home. We'll take a taxi for you.
I'm worried about your safety, son.
No worries, son.
Oh no, they got it. No, they got it. They got it first. We'll get another taxi for you, babe.
I'll do it this way.
Catch a taxi. That one. Here, that one. Oh no, they don't want drunk people. They don't want drunk people, babe. Oh no. Taxi. Why don't they want drunk people? It's just not. It's not us. It's them. Or me. I don't know. I don't know what we're doing tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank
We're
you.
going where you went today. The monk, the bamboo, the corn.
Thank you.
I really chose them and we're going that way. We're going that way.
Yeah, we know where we're
let's get
going.
you a taxi.
Do you know where we're going?
I know where we're going.
No, don't go in the road, babe.
No,
Stay here, stay, my love.
Could be in jail in like 5 minutes.
Go to jail.
I copy that.
You call that?
Pal knows what to do.
Pal, when he goes to jail, just call us. We'll all go, two of us.
We're one day in Osaka.
Catch up again. We're in Osaka. When are we in Osaka?
One day only.
Tuesday night.
He's drunk.
Tuesday night? Yeah. Tuesday night, we'll catch up again.
Alright.
If we're going to catch up Tuesday night.
Get a taxi, Joe.
No, Tuesday night. I think we're still here on Tuesday night. No, you're not. Yeah, we are.
Alright.
Yeah. We're still here Tuesday night.
Okay. Yeah, they're still here, but we're leaving,
We're
babe.
on Team Prop Rock.
Okay.
Okay? I'm religious man.
Alright. You're religious now. Like religious. Come on.
Happy Easter.
Thank you, Joe. Thanks for the gift as well.
So good to see you.
Thank you.
Look after him.
Danny, are you okay, babe? Bye. We're Joe. Danny, come on. They're trying to catch a taxi. Danny, are you good? Danny, come on. It's okay.
I'm walking.
Are you good, babe?
I'm good.
I'm sorry. We're drunk in Tokyo, my love.
I'm not
In
drunk.
Kyoto. Wait. We have to turn left soon, my love. I got the maps, people. Wait, babe. Wait, son. It's not good. It's not good. Wait, son. Oh, come on. We're here. Oh my gosh, we're here. We found it. Babe, we found it. We're here, guys. Come on, babe. Don't go on the road, babe. Come on. It's fine.
Where are they?
No, they will be fine. Let's look. Where are they?
Where are they?
No, they catch a taxi already. They get a taxi. Come on. Oh, oops. You okay, my love?
I'm good.
Come on, babe. Come on. Are you good?
I'm good.
Are you happy?
Yeah, I'm happy.
That's good.
I'm always happy.
That's good. You're always happy. Joe got us present. Joe got us
Very
a
nice.
present.
You got a present?
Yeah, I got the present.
Alcohol.
Good job, Joe. Ooh, Joe. Come on, Mala. Shh. Don't talk. Let's talk when we're in the room, okay, babe? Are you okay, my love?
Yeah.
Do you have fun?
Yeah.
Wait, auto. It's supposed to be auto, babe. Why is it not opening? Come on. Oh, it's
Otto!
Shh, Danny, don't. It's alright.
Otto!
What's up?
9:15.
915.
Otto!
Thank you. Why did it open first? 1 second, my love. I think I need to get the key. Hello.
Otto!
Konnichiwa. 1 second, babe. I got the key here somewhere, my love. 1 second, babe. Is it open? Okay. Oh my gosh. Wait.
Yeah, the key, you know.
I got the key.
Good wife. Hurry up.
Are you good? Kiss me. I love you. Babe, we're going to 9:15. Wait, let me put the camera in my arm like this. Babe, what did you have me drink? I didn't order anything. Dan ordered everything. Everything he ordered. Right now, come here. Shh, people are asleep.
Good morning, everyone!
Stop, come on, let's go to the room. Stop, come on. Okay, come on. Go in the room, Bella. Come on. Sorry, people. Sorry, guys. Sorry, people. Sorry, people, we're noisy. Sorry, you're the noisy one. Pee again. I peed twice already in the bar. What did they get us? They got us something, babe. They got us something. Oh my gosh, babe, what did you make me drink? You made me drink something. They got us something for Easter. Thank you so much. They got us something. Come on, Danny. You need to pee? Go pee. Fudge! I broke my nail! Go pee!
Sarah. How embarrassing. How embarrassing.
Fudge! I broke my nail.
Which one? What's this?
I broke my nail! The ring finger!
Oh my god. Booyah! Booyah, Kasha!
Danny, I broke my ring finger.
Oh.
What did they do?
I don't know.
They said it's alcohol and chocolate. Guys, this is the most drunk I've been. Most drunk. Dan made me drink something that I don't even know. Oh my gosh, I'm bleeding.
That's what she said.
I'm bleeding.
That's what she said.
I'm bleeding! I don't like it. What is this? What is this? It's Easter in... Danny, shh. Shh, babe, shh.
I got the car.
You made me drink something. The barcode, that was a Filipino restaurant. That was a Filipino restaurant. I broke my nail just here, babe, so my nail's just right here.
How embarrassing.
No, it's not embarrassing. I don't like it. I don't like it. I broke my nail, guys. Sorry.
Boo!
Oh my gosh, wait, let me... Thank you. Go to sleep. It's a... Let me see, they got us something. They wanted to pay for dinner, but no, we... Danny, you're so...
I found the money to pay for dinner.
You didn't okay, my love.
What are we drinking? Alcoholic.
It's alcohol. It's alcohol. Danny, stop. Danny, I love the luggage, babe.
It's all full on me.
Stop. Okay. Okay, let's go.
And
They got us this. Okay, come on, babe. The luggage is falling down.
It's falling on me.
Oh no, the luggage is okay. The luggage is down.
Alright, what are we drinking?
I don't know what we're drinking.
What are we drinking?
No, don't. Oh shit, my nail is broken.
Ah. Thank you, Joe and Pal, for your alcohol.
Thank you, guys. Danny, come on. I know what I'm doing. I know I'm drunk. I know I'm drunk, people, and I'm sorry. Dan gave me something that I don't even know what it was. Okay, come on, let's go. Let's go, babe.
This is a vlog.